We've come outside today because we're hands-on with the brand new Bosch GKE 18V-40 chainsaw. This thing is brand new and it's seriously impressive. Let me tell you all about it. Bosch have designed this thing incredibly well. It's a brushless motor, it's got a 40cm bar, and they've really thought about loads of benefits when it comes to this thing. In terms of chain speed, it's got a 12.4 meters per second chain, and I know what you think, that might not be that quick, but with the power of the motor, you're getting a fantastic power to weight ratio on this thing. It's absolutely brilliant. It's really lightweight but can cut through the most demanding of logs. As you can probably see, we've been testing this thing out and it's really impressive. So obviously with this you're getting a brushless motor, and that is going to see increased run times. You can get up to 110 cuts in a 10x10 piece of timber with a 5.5 amp Pro Core battery. That goes up to 250 with a 12 amp. Seriously impressive numbers and more than enough to cover most garden jobs. With this machine being cordless, you can take your battery straight out of the drill and into this machine, and that is fantastic because this is a really nice step into cordless gardening. You've got no emissions, and overall this thing is just a low maintenance, easy to run machine, perfect if you've got a battery already. Other than being an absolute beast, this thing has got some really nice ergonomic features as well. You've got a really good weight balance on that, where even if you've got a 12 amp battery in here, you're seeing fantastic balance. That's really important when you're trying to get up into those awkward places. Also on the front here is the oil tank, and that means when you're putting the oil in there, you're not going to spill it all over the machine. Another nice little feature they've thought of there, with an easy to read gauge on the front there as well. And then of course you've got the tool tensioning. That is completely on board with even a wrench underneath there. The screwdriver wrench, ready to just use when you need it. Another little feature is this quick stop chain brake, and that happens if you hit kickback. This thing is going to automatically cut off in less than 0.12 seconds. It's a really good little safety feature. So there you have it. That is the brand new GKE 18V-40 chainsaw from Bosch. You can get yours now or pre-order it at its.co.uk.